morning, beautiful people. Sun is out. My hair is crazy, but it's okay. We have a fun day today. It's the second, it's Sunday, so that means it's self-care Sunday. I'm getting my lashes, my brows done. I'm gonna go do some laundry, so you guys are gonna come with me with all of that. About Valentine's Day, like preparing for that. All the specials I want to run, trying to make sure I get the packaging. So you're gonna also follow me to go get packaging for my Valentine's Day sale. I'm not doing a sale necessarily, but I'm doing like a promotion. So we have a whole day planned. Let's go. Y'all, she only took an hour. Hold on, do y'all see this? She only took an hour. And they look really good. So now we're on our way. We're on our way to the store. Whew, I just want to go home, man. I want to go home. I'm so hungry. There's a lot going on. Hello.
Working. Hi.
Hi.
Here.
Yes.
Bonnet. What are you doing? Bonnet.
Now we are going to $5 below. Okay, y'all. So either they haven't put up their Valentine's Day stuff yet, or they just don't have anything that I'm looking for in here at all. I'm looking for Valentine's boxes because I want to create like something special for my loyal customers for Valentine's Day, and they don't have what I'm looking for, and this is really annoying me. Okay, so I'm at Walmart now. I did not find anything at the $1 below or $5 below, but I came to Walmart to get my boyfriend's Christmas present and to see if they have some cute stuff for Valentine's that I could probably use to make my kits. And I seen these really cute cards, y'all. These are so cute. So I'm gonna start off here. I found these, right? And I think it's workable. It's a box. And then I will spray paint it red. And then put the bonnet and lace bands in here. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. Another waste of time. I didn't get nothing because they didn't have the virtual reality set that I wanted to get. So now I have to go to another Walmart. So this is literally the second, let me walk correctly if I come get into this scholarship. But this is literally the second Walmart that I'm coming to because I could not find what I needed in the other Walmart. So we're gonna go inside and see, hopefully we find what we're looking for. I know y'all are like gifty. Look at my hair. Do you see how my hair is brown? This is the sun. My natural hair is literally brown. It's not even black. Like, I would never spend no money on no man. And I told myself that, like, what? You guys spoil me. This not third. I'm not doing it. But with this new relationship, it's just like, yeah, okay, I can give you a little waiver room. Because, like, I was joking, right, for Christmas, right? He tells me, oh, Gifty, send me your, like, you know, your carts or whatever you want. So I sent him, like, everything, y'all. My cart came out to, like, at least $2,000. He bought all of it. So I'm like, you know what? Let me not be a bogus-ass girlfriend and not do nothing nice for my man. So I got him the... Y'all be like, but it's after Christmas, Gifty. Yeah, I was broke during Christmas and I was not gonna... I don't do that. I don't extend my arms where my arms cannot be going. So I was not getting nothing for then. But either way, he did get himself the PlayStation, which I was gonna get him for Christmas, but I was like, again, I was broke. I ain't had enough money for that. So instead, since I do have money now, I got him this. The PlayStation twin charging station. I'm really happy about that. I know he's gonna love it. At the same time, I hate that I'm giving him game system because I don't want him playing games. But it don't make no sense. I know, y'all. I'm over here just talking about mine. And I got this, the virtual reality set. This is something that he really, really wanted. And I'm really happy about everything now. It's finally time for us to go home. I'm gonna go do my hair, iron my clothes, eat. Like, ugh, I'm beat up. I'm so beat up. Jumping into the natural hair care section of this video, I'm using a detoxifying conditioner which has peppermint inside of it. Is really nice. The detoxifying conditioner detox your hair and makes it soft. Then I'm using the hair growth oil. You can get this at like your typical local beauty supply store. I'm using the light hair growth oil. It has like this pepper kind of vibe, but this is how my lashes look close up. I am in love with it. Now for me to, before adding the product on my hair, I like to saturate it with water. Regular water, put a little bit in the spray bottle and saturate my entire hair first before putting the product on. When I put the water in, I do stretch my hair with my hands and just make sure I moisturize my entire hair, fluffing it out. This is before putting the product on. Now the mixture that we did with the detoxifying conditioner and the oil, I'm putting that on my hair all over. I like to focus on my edges because they tend to become very brittle and hard, and then I work my way to the ends of my hair, then moving to the back of the hair. So I start off with the edges first, go to the ends of the hair, and then move to the back, making sure that I put all the products all over. Then I use my fingers to detangle it to make sure that the curls are popping, my edges are nice, everything is looking good now. I didn't have a shower cap, so I use a plastic bag, and I'm gonna leave this on while I do the night. This is how my hair looks after I've taken off the shower cap off my head, and my hair is super hydrated, is super moisturized. I love the detoxifying conditioner because it literally strips all the dirt. It strips away any buildup in my hair while leaving my hair super soft. And then the oil also adds in the locking method to make sure all this moisture is not traveling outside. It locks it all in together, and the oil just makes my scalp feel very tingly and rejuvenated as well. So I love those two products together. This is how my hair turned out, and we're at the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful people next time on my channel. I am Gifty, the gift to your hair. Bye.